Hey, it's Abhi here. Welcome to the video. So yesterday I uploaded a video called the 7 reasons why I joined Legacy Builders program and today I actually made about $100 in commissions, right? Actually 100% commission, basically my revenue, right? That is my profit, okay? And this is today, right? So if you go and if I click on today, you will see actually made that today. Okay, so what am I doing? I'm just simply following the 2-hour workday plan that that Legacy Builders program is actually teaching us. All right, so first of all, let me show you the blueprint, how you actually create passive income, how you actually make money online, right? Whether you do digital marketing or affiliate marketing, whatever, right? So first of all, if you want to promote anything, okay, you need a product, right? So let's say this is your product, right? This could be your own product, right? You own this product, or this could be others' product, right? So you have to have a product in order to make money. Okay, so what a lot of people do is they simply send traffic, like visitors, people, to this page here, and they, if they didn't buy it, right, they simply lose that visitor, okay, and they will never come back to this page. Okay, so that's why there is a system in place that you need to apply. Okay, so what happens is, right, whether your own product or affiliate product that you want to promote, what you need to do is you need to build a page first. Okay, and that is an email capture page, right, where you capture their emails. Okay, this could be opt-in page, like you can call this an opt-in page, you can call this a squeeze page, one and the same. Okay, so what happens is whenever someone opts their email, right, they get sent to this page now, right? This affiliate page, right? If you want, there is a thank you page step, and there's a whole bunch of stuff if you want, but you can simply skip that step and send to product page as well. Now in the back end, what happens is, right, these emails that people put in get stored inside an email marketing software, email marketing platform, right? And this is called your email list. Okay, so this is the system that will actually give you passive income. So this list, what happens is, right, when, like, even before you drive traffic here, even before you bring people here, you will actually have emails, right, emails pre-set up, right, preset, already ready to go in order to follow up with that person who entered the email in order to bring sale. So what happens is this will take them to that page, right? This email will take them back to the page, reminding them over and over again with different angles, right? This angle will be, hey, did you forget to check this out? This angle could be, right, don't miss this out. This angle could be, hey, I'm going to give you some bonuses if you get this, right? So with all the different angles, you are going to send them to this page again, which will bring you money. Okay, now what happens is whenever someone new starts, like for example, you're brand new to digital marketing, you're brand new to affiliate marketing, right? So whenever you come in, right, you get overwhelmed with by creating a high converting opt-in page which converts at 50%, for example, right? Creating the thank you page, right? Finding a good product to promote, right? With good affiliate commission, actual good product that actually helps people, so that you retain that goodwill, right? So that you sleep well at night. Okay, and then also you need to figure out a good email marketing platform, right? And you need to figure out what type of emails get open rates, high open rates, right? High click rates that sends them to this page where you will be able to make money finally, right? So this is very overwhelming for people. By the way, the whole structure is called a funnel. Okay, there is no space here, and let's write it down here. Is funnel, or you can say system, right? Or you can say freedom machine. That's what we call inside our digital growth community, a freedom machine. Okay, but right, new people do get overwhelmed, right? Even old people who are struggling to make money online struggle with this system. Once this system is properly stepped, once you have a good product, right, once you have a good product here, once you have a good email follow-up system here, right, you are golden. You will be making money. So instead of focusing everything on this, all right, let me just go here. So instead of just focusing on this, right, setting up this, right, what if you could have the whole system done for you, which is high converting, like for a high ticket offer that legacy builders program is, right, it costs like 100 to 900, right? For a high cost product, it has had like 10% conversion rate. That is actually insane. Okay, so you get all this done for you, and then you just have to focus on actually bringing in traffic, right? Focus on marketing that product, because the product is actually insane, right? And focus on the 2-hour workday training inside. So, right, every day, right, they will give you all the system. You will edit your name, you will edit the links out, everything step by step. Once you set that up in few hours, right, you then focus on 2-hour workday. That's it. Every single day, plug it in, like plug in for 2 hours and work, right? Create very simple videos, very simple short videos, 5 to 7 second videos. If you want to go faceless, do that. And there is faceless invisible marketing that is inside bonuses, like whatever level that you go with, $100, $900, doesn't matter. You will be able to get access to that, and just do that. So guys, this does work. The 2-hour day does work, and you can see I'm actually made $100, right? I believe, right, in few days from now I will have another update with like some nice commissions, right, some more commissions, because I am promoting this now. I am following the 2-hour workday and it works, right, as you can see. So hopefully I will be able to update with new commissions and new results for you. Okay, so if you actually want my help, if you actually want the community's help, by the way, let me just show you the communities, right? So if you can see, average people are making money. So number one reason I joined here is that average people is making money. Other reason is like 100% commission. So if you sell $100 product, you make $100. If you sell a $900 product, you make $900, right? It's amazing actually. So you can see $100 while in shower, right? A $300 ding, right? 63 new contacts into my funnel yesterday, and a $600 sale, right? All people, all Lara here is focusing on is bringing in people, right? Bringing traffic. She's doing TikTok videos, right? You can do Instagram, you can do YouTube, you can do anything, and they teach you how to do this in 2 hours a day, right? Already made $7,800 in first 2 weeks of June. Do you see this first sale, Pam Atkins? Like I actually made my first sale today as well. Yeah, 3 hours ago I posted here my first sale, $100, right? People are super engaged in here. At any given point of time, there's like more than 100 people, 150 people online. So whenever you ask a question here, they will be able to help you, right? The support is excellent. And if you go here to calendar, there is live calls happening every single week, like 3 to 4 calls, right? And if you have tech issues, you can actually solve it live, right? They will, they will ask you if you have any questions. You will raise your hand, you will come on the Zoom call live with them, and they will solve your problems. So community and the support is another reason why I joined this, right? If you actually want the full list, you can actually watch my previous video. So yeah, if you want to join me, click the link below and I will see you inside.